Welcome guys to my new video. In this video I wanna start solving problems pointers in C++ programming language. First of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. Exercise 1. Write a C++ program to add two numbers using pointers. In this exercise, first I need to define two numbers, number 1 and number 2. Second step, I need to define two pointers, ptr1 and ptr2 also. Second, I need to tell the user to add to give me a value for this two number, and I need to define the sum because here I need to add the two numbers. And final step, I calculate the sum and I print the result on the screen. Now let's see how to write the code. First, we will start with hashtag include iostream using namespace std int main. Now let's declare the two numbers, int number 1 and number 2. int asterisk ptr1 asterisk ptr2 and the sum. Now let's tell the user to give me the value of the two numbers. Cout enter the first number, cn number 1, and enter the second number, cn number 2. Now let's assign the address to the pointer, ptr1 equal and number 1, the address of number 1, and ptr2 equal the address of number 2. Here signing an address to pointer. Now let's calculate the sum. Sum equal asterisk ptr1 plus the asterisk ptr2. Here the values at address stored by pointer. And finally, let's print the value on the screen. The sum is sum, and finally return 0. This is our C++ course to add two numbers using pointers. To write a C++ program to find the maximum number between three numbers using pointers. First, in this exercise, I need to define three numbers, x, y, and z. Second, I need to define the three pointers, p1 and p2, p3. Next step, I need to tell the user to give me the value of these three numbers, and I need to use the if statement to show or to find the maximum number between these three numbers. Let's see how to write the code, and let's start with hashtag include iostream using namespace stt int main. First step, let's define the three number. int asterisk pointer 1, pointer 2, and pointer 3. Cout. Enter the first number, cn number 1. Cout. Enter the second number, cn number 2, and cout. Enter the third number, cn number 3. Now let's assign the address of the input number to the pointers. P1 is equal to the address of number 1, P2 for the number 2, P3 for number 3. Here, assigning the address of input numbers to pointer. Now let's use the if statement to find the maximum numbers. If pointer 1 is greater than 2p3 2p2, sorry, open the braces, and if the asterisk p1 greater than to the asterisk p3, also I need to open the braces and cout the largest number is p1, else cout the largest number is p3, and else if asterisk p2 greater than to asterisk p3, cout the largest number is asterisk p2, and else cout the largest number is asterisk p3. This is our C++ program using pointer to find the maximum between three numbers using the if and if-else statement. Exercise 3. Write a C++ program to display address of each element of an array using pointers. In this exercise, I need to define an array, a pointer, and I need to use the for loop to display the address of each element in this array. First, we start with hashtag include iostream using namespace std int main. Now float array 3 contain 3 elements, and float asterisk ptr, the pointer. Here I declared the pointer variable. Now let's display the address of the array. Cout displaying the address using array Now let's use the for loop to print the address of all array elements. For int I equal to 0, I less than 3, the array size, and I plus plus. Cout the address of array I here in this 3 line. What I do here, I printed the address of all array elements. Now let's display the address of each element. First, ptr is equal to 1 to the first element of the array. We can write like this, or we can put this, ptr equal to the address of the first element. The first element is have the index 0. We can write like this or like this, it's the same. Cout displaying address using pointer and for int I equal to 0, I less than 3, and I plus plus. Cout ptr plus I is equal ptr plus I. And finally return 0. This is our C++ program to display the address of each element of an array using pointers. All about array in C++. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, contact me on Instagram. And don't forget to join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel to get the PDF course. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.